The vacuum lifter AVGLP8 is designed to lift porcelain, glass, thin sheet metal, and other materials with a smooth, non-porous surface. Featuring rugged construction with the ability to lift and tilt materials. Powered by compressed air. Adjusting vacuum pads to suit porcelain sheet size. Adjusting brass speed control knobs to obtain the preferred speed of tilt. Test by means of pneumatic level control. Picking up 6 mm thick, 1/4 inch thick sheet of porcelain measuring 2.8 meters by 1.2 meters. Adjust/lengthen handle to suit to sheet size. Lift, turn, and place porcelain sheet on a frame, saw table, or wherever. The crane is controlled by a convenient, user-friendly toggle stick, which is integrated into vacuum lifter handle. The crane hoist is raised and lowered by moving the toggle stick forward and backward. The travel movement is engaged by pushing the toggle stick left or right. The vacuum lifter, AVGLP8, incorporates a battery-controlled energy saver, which turn off air supply once maximum vacuum level is attained and automatically turns air supply on again once when the vacuum level falls to a predetermined level.